Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Shri Akal, Kem Cho, Kedawale, Kasakai, Kemonacho, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share my first-hand experience with the human cadaver. And yes, you have heard it right. In our medical college, the human dissection has been already started, and I'm gonna share the cadaveric oath ceremony, and then the instrument I have bought for the dissection, and the dissection manual we have bought for studying the dissected part. And yes, that's it for today's video. So let's begin. The list of instruments were already provided by our teachers, and we have bought the instrument accordingly. So here these are a pair of straight head artery forceps, and then a pair of curved head artery forceps. You can see this is a curved head, and the previous one was a straight head artery forceps, and the most important, scalpel. And this is the blade which is used in scalpel, and this is a plain forceps to like hold any of the body parts, and this is a tooth head forceps. You can see the tooth head. So these are all the instruments. So our professors also told us to buy this manual for dissection, which help us medicos to dissect the human cadaver. So we have bought this. You can see there are proper illustration of the structures which are dissected. Everything is properly shown, and the written part is also there. Let me check. Here it is. So now let's begin with the cadaveric oath ceremony. चलते हैं.
First BMS of Bharat Ayurved Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Muzaffarnagar UP. Solemnly please to respect the cadaver and treat these ones living person with compassion, dignity, as we use it to further our professional goals, to show due respect and gratitude. This cadaver will always remain our first teacher. To pay gratitude towards the next of kin of donors for their endeavors in serving the society, selflessly even after death. To consider this as the best example of living after death. To always emulate this act of donor. Provide quality health service to society and to enhance lives of all mankind. Thank you.
After we were done with the cadaveric oath session, like we are a batch of 100 students, and our principal sir, our HODs, our professor, we had a very healthy discussion of how important is the cadaver in the field of medical sciences. In this world of MS PowerPoint and technologies and 3D models, why it is so important to operate on cadavers. Following that, we again discussed about the ethics and the rules one should follow while dealing with the cadaver. How to deal with the cadaver actually. We also got to know that how these stars of our anatomy department come to us in our medical college, and the procedures we have to follow to bring a cadaver in our medical college, and all the necessary prerequisite information one should know before donating themselves to the field of science. I am literally very grateful to the people who donate themselves towards science.
ये सोच रहा है कि अब हमारी पढ़ाई एक डिसेक्शन कर लिया, हम एक्सपर्ट हो गए, ये गलत बात है। आजीवन पढ़ोगे, आजीवन नए नए सब चीज मिलेंगे। कौन जानता है कि तुम भी एनाटॉमी के प्रोफेसर बनोगे, टीचर्स? कौन जानता है कि तुम इससे भी आगे निकल जाओगे? ठीक है ना? तो हर तरह की प्रैक्टिकली नॉलेज होना बड़ा जरूरी है। तो मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं दूंगा, तुम लोगों से यही मैं कहूँगा कि बिना किसी कारण बस एब्सेंट हुए आप लोग रेगुलर आए क्लास में, थ्योरी और ये डिसेक्शन वाला प्रैक्टिकल क्लासेस ये डेली का डेली करें। और कोई भी जो ये कमी होती है वो मैं मंगाने के लिए तैयार हूँ। और पुनः बहुत सारे सब कुछ आ रहे हैं इस डिपार्टमेंट में, सब में आ रहे हैं, जो तुम लोगों की पढ़ाई में कोई कमी ना।
Post that, I would like to tell you all that how wonderful that experience was to me. I dreamt of being a doctor like about 8 to 10 years back, and now I'm chasing my dreams, and it was a surreal and a wonderful experience for me. I literally wanna express my gratitude for the people who were alive in some time, and now we are studying on them. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.